Hi, welcome once more to Mr. Max. In this lesson, we are going to revise from September 2018 Eastern Cape uh, probability section. September 2018 Eastern Cape probability section. Okay, so probability question is question number 11. So please download the question paper from our app and listen very carefully. Okay, question number 11, September 2018 Eastern Cape. Question number 11. In a survey done at a local traffic department, the following information was obtained. So there is a contingency table given there. So there is a contingency table like this. It is first failed, then passed, then total, male, female, and total. This is A, this one is C, this is 200, B, D, 1400, 1200, 400, and 1600. Okay, so there is a contingency table given like this. Question number 11.1.1. 11.1.1. What is that question? Calculate the probability that a person selected at random will be a male. You have to find the probability of a person selected at random will be a male. So they are not talking about failed or passed or only one condition. That must the person selected random must be a male. So you have to check what is the total male. 1200. Overall total what? 1600. That's all. Okay. So only one condition male. Doesn't matter failed or passed. So total how many males are there? 1200. Overall how many people are there? 1600. So what is answer? Simplified one. 3/4. That is the answer of first question. 11.1.2. What is that question? Calculate the probability that the person selected at random failed the test. So person, you have to find the probability of person selected at random failed the text. So how many people are failed? Here, don't forget that only one condition failed. Doesn't matter male or female. So total how many people are failed? 200. So what is the probability? 200 over overall total is 1600. So what is the condition? What is the answer? 1/8. Next question. 11.1.3. Of if being a male, 11.1.3. Okay, if being a male and failing the test are independent events. So it is given in the question that being a male and failing the test are independent. It is given independent. Okay, so before I continue that question, what is the condition for two events A and B are independent? For example, two events A and B are independent. Then what we can write? Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. You have to remember this one. Okay, if two events A and B are independent, means that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. Okay, don't forget that one. Okay, so here what are our events? It's not A and B. Our events are being a male and where is that question? Yeah, being a male and failing the test. Okay, so let me write being a male and failing. Okay, that are the two events. So what we can apply? First you have to check What is probability of male intersection fail? Then you have to check what is the probability of male times probability of fail. Okay, so probability of male, we know that 3 over 4, previous question. Okay, probability of fail 1 over 8. Okay, so what we can do is, first we have to write like this. We have to write that condition. Okay, for two events being a male and failed the test, what is the condition? So we are going to write, I'm going to write like this: probability of male intersection failed, is equal to probability of male times probability of failed, because it is given in the question that two being a male and failed are independent. You understand? Now let's check what is the meaning of probability of male intersection failed. Intersection means what? Common. Okay, male and failed. Male failed, that is A. Am I right? Male is this one, failed is this one, that is A. Okay, since the probability, how can we write? A divided by total. That means A divided by, what is the total? 1600. Okay, is equal to probability of male. We already got the answer, 3 over 4. So it is 3 over 4 times probability of failed. That one also we got 1 over 8. Okay, so A by 1000, probability of male intersection failed. Male, this is male, this is failed. What is that one? That is A. Okay, so A divided by total 1600, overall total. Okay, so from here, what is that one? A divided by 1600 is equal to 3 by 4 times 8, 32. So what is answer? A is equal to 3 times 1600 divided by 32. So what is the answer, guys? This is, if I divide by with the 16, so this is 200. 3 times 100 is 300 divided by 2, 150. Okay, don't worry, you can use your calculator, no problem. Okay, 1600 times 3 divided by 32. Okay, so I'm lazy to take calculator, that's why I did it. Okay, so anyway, value of A is 150. Okay, so it means that here the value of A is 150. So let me write it there, A as 150. That is a question. You have to find the value of A. So it is 150 there. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. What is the next question? 11.1.4. Okay, question number 11.1.4. What is that question? Use the value of A to determine B, C and D. Oh, that's a simple question. Here the total 150 plus this C is 200. So what is C? Of course is 50. Am I right? 200 minus 150, that is 50. Okay, so C is equal to 200 minus 50. I mean 150. So that is C is equal to 50. Fine. Then this 150 plus this one is 1200. So how can you find this B? 1200 minus 150. Check in your calculator. 1050. So the value of B is 1050. How do you get? B is equal to total 1200 minus 150. So what is that? B is equal to 1050. There you go. It's a simple question. Then when you add these two, you are supposed to get 1400. So what is this D? D is 1400 minus 1050. So check in your calculator, what is answer? 350. Am I right? Yeah. So it is, this one is 350. We got all the answers, A, B, C, D. Okay. So that is 11.1.4. Now let's go to 11.1.5. 11.1.5. What is that question? Calculate the probability that. So don't forget that in calculus, two types of question, either probability or how many. You have to find the number. Okay, so here the question is calculate the probability of choosing a female that has failed. Probability of choosing a female that has failed. So how many? 50. Am I right? We already got C as 50. Okay, choosing a female that has failed is 50. So how can you write the probability choosing a female that has failed? So intersection failed. Okay, that is 50 over overall is 1600. Check in your calculator what is a simplified one. 1 over 32. Okay, female and failed. So total how many? 50. So overall total is 1600. So what is the probability? 50 by 1600. Okay, so that is question number 11.1.5. Now let's go to question number 11.2. Question number 11.2. What is that question? 9 cars of different makes, of which 4 are black, are to be parked in a straight line. How many cars are there? 9 cars. And out of that 9 cars, 4 cars are black. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cars. Okay, and 4 cars are black. I don't know which cars. I'm just assuming that, okay, that 4 cars are black. Okay, now ways they are parked on a straight line. Okay, 11.2.1 first question. In how many different ways can all the cars be parked? Now condition nothing. How many cars are there? 9. So how many different ways we can park? That is 9 factorial. Why it is like that? How many cars are there? 9 cars. Am I right? Okay. How many parking spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 spaces. Okay. So first position, this is a parking space. How many options are here? All the 9 cars are waiting. Okay. So one car can come and park here. That means from out of how many cars? 9. That means here it is 9 option. Okay. Next one. 1 is already gone here. So how many are here? 8. Next one. 2 already gone here. So how many remaining? 7. Like that, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the same as 9 factorial. You understand? Okay. So 11.2.1, 9 factorial. 11.2.2. What is that one? If the 4 black cars must be parked next to each other, determine how many different ways their cars can be parked. So now there is a condition that 4 cars wants to park next to each other together like this. Okay, then how many different ways? How many or probability? Determine in how many different ways. That means just number. Okay, so what you have to do is very simple, nothing, it's not difficult thing. You consider this as 1. Okay, then count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 factorial. Okay, times inside this one, inside this group, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means these 4 cars can park 4 factorial different ways. That's all. Listen once more. What you have to do? How many cars are black? 4 cars. Okay, that 4 cars you have to consider as 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 factorial times inside the group. How many black cars are there? 4. That means times 4 factorial. That's all. Check in your calculator what is the answer. In your calculator you will get 17,280. That means 17,280 different methods according to that condition they can park. Okay, so that's the end of September 2018 probability section. So I hope you understand clearly. So continue watching. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next class. Thank you. Bye.